So, yeah, it's still going. Amazing, it's still there. Looking a bit different now. It's still there. The blacksmith trade. And he still does trade with the horse's hooves. Used to go up there as a kid and watch the guy fitting the horse's hooves. It's probably one of those fascinated with horses, I guess. There we go. Let's relax. So I guess here's a prime example of a place that can be a hub of somewhere ending up in wreck and ruin and dereliction. Another one of my themes within my own work. It's just totally gone to waste. There used to be an old cafe there. Go and get a Greasy Joe, as they call them. Eggs, beans, sausage, hash browns, bacon, you name it. It's gone. It's gone. Shame. All the freshly cut grass there on the verges. What a great smell. Now this place has been around in various guises forever, it seems. I'm going to go and grab myself some chips, or French fries the Americans call them. Why don't the French call them French fries? Maybe they do. Here we go. Yeah, the wide open expanses. I remember when Kim Fowley came here from Los Angeles, he was actually afraid of the openness of the place. Been locked up in Los Angeles and big cities. He came here, the open skies, the open fields, it scared him. Gonna get some fish and chips. So that's what I did a few years ago. The Chinese and drove off. Amazingly, a mile down the road, it was still on the roof. Not today though. Wow. It's the new being replaced with the old everywhere we go. Show you this little old store. More dereliction. So I guess the beauty amongst the dereliction there, you know, the natural wilderness and around human decay and people rebuilding, I guess, seems to be a reoccurring theme, and I'm still seeing it.
said. This is what they said. This is what they said. This is what they said. Freedom's on the wind. Freedom's on the wind.
Folk have lost a lot of things in the name of progress. Once they built in and put in the bypass, this little road, just ceased to be the traffic down there, and so many businesses that thrived and struggled. This place is called Charrington St John and has a special place in my heart. So all these trades, these pubs, these shops, have just been struggling. They'll still continue to struggle because, you know, over there, see, on there's the bypass, and here's the back road. There used to be the main road, and there used to be volumes of traffic coming down here. I remember as a child coming down here to go to the coast to Hunstanton. So many cars. So a lot of revenue's been sidled off from here. It's a shame. What I find amazing is everywhere I look in this landscape around me, I've either put it into songs or paintings. Back in the early 90s, I was big into painting. Still am in a way. Don't get out as much as I should. And everywhere I look, it's just, you know, things that I've painted. You know, even this old barn thing here, this old, you know, I painted that. It's a church out over here. Yeah, I've painted that. And I could go on and on and on, which I normally do. Everywhere. So this landscape is part of me. It's kind of embedded in who I am. I am the landscape is me. And it's so flat and beautiful and huge and expansive. And to me it's still a mystery, I guess, one I'm trying to solve. Or maybe I'm not trying to solve it, maybe I'm just enjoying the mystery of it all. You know, the seasons, they come and they go. At the moment we're in summer, it's great. Things always look rosy in summer. To be honest, I enjoy all the seasons. All of those changes that they bring.